Tata, do you think that our ancestors would be able to develop tools like humans? I don't know. I was not alive at the time of mammoths. Wow, just look where cats came from. Natural history museums are awesome. Wow, were these things really the first animals? Well, actually, no. Then what was it? Oh, you poor, sweet, naive child. Come with me, you and your children, while we go to see the most scariest animals in history. The dinosaurs! Are you sure you want me to see this, Banban? I insist. Why are the comfy so freaking small? Bird-sized dinosaur? I don't like this place, it's real scary. Oh my god. Is that Nessie? So this animal is called a T-Rex? Yup. It's very small because it's not life-sized. Here is a skeleton of a life-sized and accurate T-Rex. That thing looks like it could just scoop me up in its mouth and eat me. I'm just gonna be walking away, so... Oh, I think I'm safe here, and... Kindly lower your audio for a sec, love. I shall now proceed to admit a scream of absolute fear. Are you seriously scared of an animal that died 65 million years ago? Charlie's an actual sissy, my guy. It's just an animatronic version. It's not real and it's not gonna hurt you. Get that demon thing away from me! Get it away from me! I knew you were dumb, but I didn't think you were this stupid. Come on, kids, let's get out of here. You're already leaving? Yes, I'm leaving this demon place. I'm so scared. Oh my god, bro. Man, my girl's actually scared of some dead animal. It's dead, my girl. It's not gonna hurt you. Finally, my hot chocolate is here. I've been waiting all day. Oh, thank goodness you're here to protect me, Tata. Please keep me safe from those scary monsters. Please make sure they don't come for me. Okay, what is going on with you today? We went to the freaking dinosaur exhibit, and now she's terrified of dinosaurs. Just calm down, Opila. Have some hot chocolate. Thanks, honey. Later. And that's when I was face to face with the scariest of them all. Teeth sharp as knives and eyes glaring at me with hunger and... Okay, I get it. You've never seen them before. Can we just go to sleep? Okay. Okay, I really don't like where I am. Hello? Okay, I really do not like it here at all. Please don't tell me this is a dinosaur too. I need to get out of here. Hello? Okay, where am I now? Under the sea, down where it's wetter, I see something that's coming after me! just nowhere to run. Let me guess, you had a terrible nightmare about dinosaurs. Yes. It's okay, it was just a nightmare. Try and go back to sleep.